Okay, so we're discussing Duralock2 assembly instructions. With Duralock2 there's three pieces to the red path clipping system. The aluminium base, the Duralock channel insert, and the Duralock bead insert. It's a three-piece system. These three pieces all work together to securely hold the greenhouse film. So we have our base aluminium. This is screwed to the building. The screws are fixed in this back tab, approximately every 5 or 6 inches or 200 millimeters. That there will be a screw placed to secure the aluminium base to the building. For instance, screwed to a base rail or something similar. So we'll assume that that's been done here. Then we would have the greenhouse film that would be coming towards the Duralock2 jaw, and would pull the greenhouse film over approximately 50 or 60 millimeters, so there's enough tab to hold onto and tension the polythene greenhouse film. The second part of the system then comes into play, which is the Duralock channel. And the Duralock channel only goes in one way. It goes in with the channel facing upwards, as you can see, and there is a locking tab on the channel, and that faces towards the film. And that locking tab locks into its associate in the channel itself. If you have a close look at that, you'll be able to see that when you're assembling it. But basically the locking tab goes in this direction and essentially faces the film. So we roll that into the channel. We start at about a 30-degree angle, and then just basically roll the front edge underneath. The locking tab rolls in, and the back gets pushed down, which traps the film in the channel. And we continue that process right along the length, for the 2 meter length of the channel, or however long the greenhouse is, of course. And so there we have the second part of the insert of the clipping system is in place. We have the aluminium and the Duralock channel in place. The third part of the system is the locking bead. What we want to see is we don't want the channel closing under pressure from wind. So to keep that apart and tight in there, we install the Duralock bead into place. It starts again. Put one end in, tap it in with a rubber hammer or your finger or your hand, and position that in the top of the channel. So that way we've got a good secure holding system for the greenhouse film, and it won't let go. The end.